let's do the millennial talk now. Let's find out where are the millennials investing. And with me now is Gaurav Bukharia, MBA student at SPM NMIMS, and Aditya Shah, who's already with us on the show. So, Gaurav, welcome to the show. And we are here to discuss a millennials portfolio, which will be your portfolio, Gaurav. Tell me something about your investments. Where do you invest?
So my investment portfolio is like I have invested across the different asset classes. It consists of equity market, mutual funds, cryptocurrency, and gold to some extent. So I've been investing in equity since quite some time right now, and mutual funds as well. Cryptocurrency and gold I have started investing since past year. So my majority part of portfolio lies in equity and mutual funds.
But then, Gaurav, I want to understand, and then I will go to Aditya and ask this question also to him. Gaurav, are you a trader or you're an investor? Because a lot of millennials I know of are basically into earning money every day, which means they believe in trading strategies. You know, they lack patience to be an investor.
Yeah, so I do both trading and investing, but primarily I'm investing right now because I don't get time to trade because you have to sit in front of the terminals and screens from 9:30 to 3:30 and then again discuss, which is not possible with my college timing. So in investment, I have invested approximately rupees 3,000 in mutual funds, which I have some budget constraints as well. So around 3,000 is the amount which I invest per month in the mutual funds. But speaking about the equity market, I have invested around 50K.
That's very encouraging, Aditya. See, I think very few millennials you get to know and get to see of, who invest, who believe in investing process and are not traders. Looking at or the way Gaurav is sounding, I mean, I have more questions to ask him, but then just about the way he's gone through the entire process, he's got a risky asset class, an asset class where we don't really bank on right now. He's got crypto, he's got direct equity, he's got mutual funds, he's got quite a mix of an aggressive investor.
Congratulations to Gaurav that he has started investing at such a young age. So that's the first point that I wanted to tell him. The second point is I want him to be a little bit systematic in his investments. First of all, he needs to go ahead and secure himself and buy both types of insurances, health insurance as well as life insurance. Then he needs to make sure that his emergency corpus is in place, just in case needs in case of any emergency. Then if we come on our investment class, equity should be dominating his portfolio. Then he must have debt, gold as well as real estate in his portfolio. He can take exposure to real estate through real estate investment trust. On the equity side of it, he must research well before investing in any of the companies. If he's not able to get time to research, not only he should not trade, he should also not go and invest in direct equities. He should go ahead and invest in a mutual fund because that's a convenient and a fast way to do it. And the fund manager is continuously looking at the portfolio while he is busy with his work life, day-to-day work processes that he's doing. It is very good that he has invested a lot of his money into equities. He should be aggressive with equities. Uh, the other point that I wanted to tell him is he's very, very young. It will be very good for him to right now identify his goals. His goals can be retirement, his marriage, taking care of his parents, any of those things, they can be his goals at this stage. So invest in equities systematically through mutual funds. If you are a do-it-yourself investor, please follow the equity markets on a day-to-day basis and see what all of these companies that you have invested in are doing. And at the same time, diversify your investments across debt, across real estate, and across gold. You don't need to buy a physical real estate. Real estate investment trust will do. On both sides
I
of it,
think
gold
I
mutual
think you will
funds.
get more opportunity to guide Gaurav because he's about to answer a lot of more questions on these lines and diversification, asset allocation. I also want to know what he thinks about all these investment instruments. So, Gaurav, you said you're a student. So, how did you manage to invest? I mean, are these your pocket money saving or you had something earned already?
Yes, so basically, post my undergraduate, I have worked for 1.5 years. So from there, I had few savings from where I have invested in equity, and from that savings, only like I continue to invest in mutual funds. Yeah, so that is a small amount, around 3,000. It is more about the disciplined investment. So even if you are like studying, or even if you are a student, you can still save something like on the first day of every month and then try to spend. So that is a philosophy which I try to adhere to. But quite a few months, there are times when you are unable to save. Then at those months, I have to forego my mutual fund SIPs.
Disciplined, and you know how to navigate through all this. But then tell me something, Gaurav, what kind of profits you're earnings right now in stocks and mutual funds, if you could just share that.
So in stocks, I have made approximately 60% profit, which I have not booked as of now. In mutual funds, it's around 25-30%. And in mutual funds, I invest mostly in the small cap because I invest in risky assets. Because according to my age, I believe that I am like not a risk, like I can have more appetite for risk. That's why I invest in small cap.
Interesting. Aditya, what do you have to say now?
Ma'am, he's doing the right thing by trying to invest in small cap funds, small cap stocks as well, because his risk tolerance will, allows him to invest there. However, he has to look at the fact that does he have the ability to analyze or not. If he does not have the ability to analyze those stocks, I will suggest go with a mutual fund. If he does have the ability, I will say don't only invest in small cap stocks, invest across large cap and mid cap, invest in good quality companies. But I really like the fact that he's saying he's very consistent and very disciplined. Not many investors at such young age are very consistent and very disciplined about their income.
Uh, Gaurav, tell me something. I believe you invest in crypto also. So how has your journey been so far?
Cryptocurrency is one place where I have burnt my hand very badly. So I started investing in crypto. Right now, I'm sitting in a loss, huge loss, and it's around 60 to 70% loss on crypto, and I've stopped investing in crypto.
Yeah, of course. Looking at the crypto winter going on, people are in losses. But then tell me something. How do you track crypto?
Yeah, so I'm more familiar with the equity market since I've been tracking it since a very long time. Crypto is something new to me, like because I am from a non-tech background, so it takes time for me to like completely comprehend the way it works. But I know how it functions and how it works. Like I did my own research before investing in crypto, and like I have invested. I was very selective in investing in crypto. Like there are lots of coins available right out there in the market, but I have been investing in top two, three coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I have not been moved. Like there was a crypto mania when Dogecoin suddenly shot up. Like, but I tried myself to remain constrained within this space.
Interesting. Aditya, see now one thing I would like to highlight is he does if he's not able to understand the investment instrument, he's not very bullish about it. Okay, he clearly says that he understands the equity market much better. So this is the kind of approach. Even if you're trying to experiment or be slightly adventurous with your portfolio, always stick to what you know.
Yes, definitely, ma'am. On the crypto side of it, the blockchain technology is an excellent technology. However, we don't really understand how the cryptocurrencies are priced, and we also don't understand if they are very legal to invest in our country. So I would try to suggest that stay out of cryptos for the time being and try to invest in equities, be it through do it yourself or through mutual funds. But it's very good that the young investors trying to explore all of these asset classes and trying to invest at a young age so that the effect of compounding can be seen over the next 10 to 15 years.
All right, so that will be all. Gaurav, thank you so much for making time and sharing your interesting portfolio with us. And Aditya, thank you so much for guiding Gaurav and other viewers who are watching and taking your advice right now.